Kum kadak ban burom ya kitu ki beladu la jing na jing sya siat hamukro kasor karjela kalara ben musange penong ya baro kita masa kajela ke bakentup ya ka Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival. Menteri Rangba ulok kubur bakandan kejing du nong ha kebede bat kepisah tengkah dari kejing imbriu kalong ke bakam kongsan. Ha kejuk kepor kasor kar klub pensange rekam ya ki mobile internet ha ki nyut ligi distrik jong kejela na kebentar sop pra kentah.
But what we have felt as a cabinet is that life of the people are most important to us. We feel the law of the situation is paramount. Maintaining of peace is very important. And hence everything else is secondary for us right now. While we are mourning, it would not be appropriate for us to have festivals and to be celebrating. And though it is a tough decision, and as I said, it will be difficult, many financial losses may be there, but as I said, we respect and we want to ensure that the lives of the people who are lost is paramount, and as I said, the law and order situation is paramount for us.
Menteri Rangba du keri unar drama